Right, in today's video, I'm going to be doing the reverse bulb and the running lights on the inside here of a Volkswagen Passat. It's a 2013. This is the same for years 2012 up to 2015. Same process, same everything. I've done this one. This is a turn signal bulb, so it's a dual filament that flashes doing the turn signals or hazard, but I have not done this one, and that's what we're going to cover today, which is your reverse light and just the running light here. So let's get into it. First, we're going to take this guy off. This guy, that pops off right there. It is just this plastic piece right here that covers this up. So we'll pop that guy off, throw it in here. We're going to pop this guy off. There we go. There's a little inlet here for a screwdriver, which is kind of nice. Pop that right there. We're going to put our parts down here. Then we have these guys and our connector. So this is our electrical connector here. You can use a screwdriver. It does make it easy to put it in there and pop it there. And it takes a firm pull, but yeah, this guy should be all the way out. You can see how far that's sticking out. That pops out. Then our next part is going to be these two aluminum holders. This holds the bulb in there, or not the bulb, but the actually the whole lighting fixture in there. So that's what it looks like. So that's the top one. I like to orient it, so I'll put that top and I'll put bottom right here, just so I know what's going on. So once you loosen them, you can do them by hand. So our bottom one, I'll orient it down here. So top, bottom, just staying organized. And then the way this guy comes out is you kind of have to finagle it out like that. Kind of come out at an angle and pop out. This is our bulbs. As you can see, we have our bulb here. I will put a link in the description for the reverse bulb, and then these are just the running bulbs. So to get this out, you have these little clips here. I pry and lift, and then that guy, we got one more tab here. There's 3 total. I do not have my phone holder, but you get the point. There we go. That's out. There are all our bulbs. These 2 small bulbs right here, those are the just the running nighttime bulbs, and then that big guy is the reverse bulb. So that's the bulbs. I'll put a link in the description for those guys if you are looking to buy those. Then when you put this back together, it just pops in like that. So replace your bulbs, boom, put it back in like that. Let's reverse our process. So this guy goes in like this, and there's kind of like little tabs that hook onto the side of the vehicle. Let's see. So yeah, make sure that this is in and this is in, and then push down firm. Then we're gonna grab, let's see, we'll grab our top piece. So the top was this one, and it has a little groove here, so you can tell where it goes. And we'll tighten that down by hand at first. So I got that one in. It's just hand tight. We're gonna grab our bottom one. That goes in like that, and you can see, let's see, where's the groove? There it is. So yeah, it's gotta fit into the little groove. It's kind of dummy proof. You can't mess it up. Well, I'm sure someone could mess it up, but you know, that's why I make these videos, so you can do it yourself and get it done. Actually, I'm gonna get this out of the way by plugging it in. So that red tab's all the way down. And then you can either take a socket wrench, but these don't need to be terribly tight. Just, I'm gonna give it a firm push on both of these and go back and forth a couple times. I wouldn't go crazy torquing them down, but that'll hold it in. Then we put our cover back in. That goes there. And then this little side cover, which is a little funky, it just holds on to these two little tabs right here. So it's kind of a a pain. You gotta slide it up and on, and slide it up and on. There, that one didn't take. Okay, that one went. This one, there. So yeah, you gotta put it on and slide up, and it's a little clip here and a little clip here, and that's on. We're set, boom, boom. And that's how you change the reverse light or the running bulbs on this guy. So if this video is helpful, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.